Support the Ramen Raider on Patreon. Thanks to all our patrons.
All right, hey, this is Hans with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And again, we're going to mess around with this Cup Noodles Campfire S'mores flavor. You know, I thought it'd be interesting to make s'mores using this as one of the things inside the graham crackers. It really didn't work out that great. And I mean, who would really have thought that it would? This time I'm going to do it a little bit different, and we'll see how that goes. No, I'm not putting green onions on it. No, I'm not going to put any sriracha on it. Just wait and see. I'm going to cook this up, and then I'm going to put this all together. Well, to be brutally honest, I don't think this attempt worked all that well either to make some kind of thing out of the s'more cup noodle. It's like, I don't know. What I decided to do is just make marshmallows and toast those, add some chocolate on top, and then sprinkle some graham cracker on top. The trickiest thing about these s'mores cups is that the fill line is very, very hard to find sometimes because it's lower than the product itself. This is the third cup I made, was this one, and it still had too much liquid in it. And the last one, the product was higher than the fill line by like a half an inch. So that one just got tossed. That must have had to do with, I don't know if that's one they shipped or one that I got at Walmart. It just didn't work at all. And so that was a complete toss. But this might have worked. It's kind of weird. I have a feeling this is going to be incredibly sweet. There's marshmallow, there's graham cracker, and there's chocolate, and there's noodles. So let's give it a try. I think the winner here is the graham cracker and the fact that there is a little bit of texture with the noodle. That's not bad. I mean, it's not good, but it's not bad. It's just too much. It's so unbelievably sweet. It's personally, I'll say from the outset that I've never been a fan of s'mores. They're just like, they're messy, they're funky, they're just not my thing. I'm not a kind of guy who likes to go to street fairs and get barbecued, you know, and then have to walk around with like a paper plate and 20 napkins with barbecue and get it all over yourself. No. I'll try it again. I see why some people might like this, or the s'more, but I just don't. I just don't get it. What's wrong with you? Why do you people like s'mores? I don't get it. I guess it's just me. But anyways, that was fun. Thanks to the folks over at Nissan for sending me product. I really appreciate it. And yeah, maybe you'll take my advice next time. I've got three different varieties, I think, for these really neat limited edition cups. You've got 3 choices to make, okay? 1, pizza. I mean, come on. Pizza in a cup. 2, cheeseburger. 3, taco. When I asked ChatGPT 3.5, no, it was 4 Omni. I asked it, if you were going to make an instant noodle product in a cup that was going to be limited edition, and you wanted to make it something kind of weird, but kind of interesting, kind of something that people would like, what would you do? One of them was like broccoli au gratin, which I thought, But no. It was on board. The first one it came out with was pizza, cheeseburger, taco. I'm like, we're talking the same language. So listen to your AI, folks, and make those. And I think you will not have a limited edition. You'll have a forever noodle. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.
Mimi's got a unicorn. Marshmallows her name with the rainbow mane and tail. Life's a